As you become older, you have the ability to make your own choices about a growing number of issues, including those that are of the utmost importance to you. You are free to select your own attire, musical tastes, and companions. It's also possible that you're ready to make some choices regarding your body and health. We want to know more about gaining or losing weight. We want to know how to attain success over some number, and that figure determines whether or not we are healthy. Weight has become such a notorious issue for conversation that we want to know more about these things. Putting on weight is becoming more of a worry because being underweight can lead to abnormal growth and development in children, as well as having an influence on teenagers and even young adults. Now that we know that, let's talk about how to get healthy and gain weight at home. Consuming the right kinds of superfoods might help you gain weight, maintain your current weight, or achieve a healthy balance between the two. 1. Bananas are a good choice if you are wanting to bring equilibrium and gain weight. In addition to being nutritious, bananas are an excellent source of carbohydrates and calories. You may get your day started with a banana, and you can also eat them with milk or curd. It is recommended that one consumes 2 or 3 bananas on a daily basis. 2. Rice is a good source of carbohydrates and may be easily incorporated into everyday life. Nevertheless, unpolished hand-pounded rice is superior to polished white rice in almost every way. In comparison to unpolished rice, which significantly contributes to maintaining a healthy balance in our bodies, refined white rice has a very low nutrient content but a high calorie count. Understand that unpolished rice is richer in fiber and nutrients, and so should be consumed on a regular basis, since different varieties of rice contain different forms of starch, which in turn influences the texture of the rice, and how easily it can be digested. Consuming 2 servings per day in addition to the required amount of lentils per day is suggested. 3. Potatoes have a high starch and carbohydrate content, both of which will assist you in increasing the amount of adipose tissue in your body. You can include potatoes in your diet either as a snack or as part of one of your meals. A person can have approximately 100 grams of potatoes each day, which is equivalent to 1 bowl of potato dish. Sweet potatoes are another option that is really nice and a healthy choice that a person can think about. 4. Chickpeas have a significant amount of protein. The increased protein content of chickpeas is highly beneficial to the repair and functioning of your body, and this will ensure that an overall growth protein promotes. This basically leads to an overall growth. Eating a serving of beans, peas, chickpeas, or lentils each day and dramatically reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and keep you healthy. It can also assist you in managing your weight and boosting your muscle mass, both of which help the body burn fat. 5. Cottage cheese and other dairy products made from whole milk, such as these, have a high protein level. The fact that these even have a high fat content contributes to the fact that they help you acquire weight. The greatest thing to do before going to bed at night is to have 1 glass of whole milk to drink. Not only will this assist guarantee that you have a healthy body, but it will also ensure that you have a restful night's sleep. 6. Tofu and the other items made from soya are a fantastic source of protein. They assist regulate diabetes in addition to having soluble fiber, which is a benefit of eating them. Even hypertension and a wide variety of other ailments benefit from it. Products made from soya should definitely play a significant role in the snack options in your kitchen, especially if you're interested in putting on weight in a healthy way. 7. Get regular exercise and try yoga. People typically avoid exercising because they believe that if they do so, it will cause them to drop their weight even further. Hence, they avoid it while we are discussing gaining weight or finding a balance. They have the need to eat everything and to lounge around, but they do not want to perform the asana or exercise. Walking asanas can assist in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, while also assisting in the development of muscle. Some asanas you can try are Surya Namaskara Sun Salutation, Dhanurasana, Paschimottanasana, Kanasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana, Parvatasana, and Utkatasana. These yoga positions contribute to a more complete workout for the body, and help with the development of muscle. Daily walking, as well as other physically active pursuits like as cycling and swimming, are good. Pranayama is breathing exercises like Shikari, Yogendra Pranayama. Intercostal and clavicular breathing would also be beneficial in this situation. Bear in mind that achieving a healthy weight by eating well and exercising to one's full potential will most certainly be of assistance. 8 smoothies. Easy, tasty smoothies like chocolate nut. Blend together 1 banana, 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein, and 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of peanut butter or another nut butter to make a chocolate banana nut shake. Super green shake. Blend together 1 cup 237 ml of spinach, 1 avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup 237 ml of pineapple, and 1 scoop of whey protein, either in flavored or vanilla. Vanilla berry shake. Blend together 1 cup 237 ml of fresh or frozen mixed berries, 1 cup 237 ml of high protein, full-fat yogurt, and 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein to make a vanilla berry smoothie. 9. Dried fruits and nuts. A high-calorie snack option, dried fruit also offers the health benefits of antioxidants and other essential nutrients. You can choose from a wide variety of dried fruits, and they all have a naturally high concentration of sugar in their bodies. Because of this, they are fantastic for putting on weight, and the fact that they are also delicious and easy to consume is icing on the cake. In spite of the widespread belief that drying causes fruits to lose the majority of their nutritional value, this is not the case. Dried fruits maintain the majority of the vitamins and minerals that they contained when they were fresh, in addition to their high fiber content. It has been noted that if the mind is under stress, nothing is going to help, and so you should make sure that your mind is constantly eager, joyful, and happy. In addition to this, you should take care of yourself. Therefore, do it in a happy and pleasant manner. This will help you a great deal more to take command of yourself. Make sure that your weight is just right, neither too low nor too high, but rather just right for your body. It is not difficult at all. First and foremost, what is required is determination, and here you will obtain the results. So take command.